Hi everybody, it is time for quarter end closeout for my savings challenges. I haven't used this yet. There we go. We are going to not worry about that. That's for my next savings challenges, but we are going to calculate up what I have done. No spend adventure. I am finished with this quarter, and I'm going to pull these out because I will clean them off for next quarter. There's 20, 40, 20, 40, 50, 60, 71. 20, 40, 50, 60, 71. One. Oh. Okay, I am unstuffing that one, so that will go to the side. Emergent Bee does not get unstuffed. Okay, so we are going to count it up. There's 100, 210. No. So 210. That will be in parentheses. We will not count that because I am trying to build up a larger long-term emergency fund. I do have one in my revolving binder that I pull from quite often. All right. Pocket of Giving is 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 95. 20, 40, 65, 75, 85, 95. No, we are not done, and no, we are not unstuffing. It's 95. All right, the medallion. No, I'm not done with that, but yes, I am unstuffing this. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. That's what we are unstuffing from here. Busy Bee has nothing in it. So save the rainbow. No, I'm not done, but yes, I am unstuffing. Let's go ahead and count up our money here. I'm going to sort it first. All right. Lots of ones. It's 10, 15, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1 and 52. Taking 52. Right. And I am no longer going to continue to pay these back. It's the end of the quarter. We're just going to call it good and start over fresh next quarter. So shut the box. Right, we are not done with it, and we are unstuffing. So it's 5, 10, 15, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 35. And check the box. Okay. Let's toss that one. So 10, 15, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 49. I'm going to have to recount that. I got distracted with noticing that I had not written that down. So 10, 15, 25, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 49. Great. Scratch off. No. Yes. So that is $5, $6, $7, $8, and $9. Paper, scissors. Yes. It's 5, 10, 15, 25. Great. And then dice game or dice roll. Whatever it's called. No, I'm not quite done with it. Yes, we are in stuffing. So 25, 35, 40. Right. So we are going to save up 71, 17, 52, 35, 49, 9, 25, and 40. So that should be 298. Right, I am going to look up these two, the Emergent Bee and so the Emergent Bee at the beginning of the quarter was 240. And Pocket Full of Giving was 65. Great. So that does show the difference there. But let's get the money counted up and see if we come up with 298. Going to go ahead and sort it out. count it up. You have 20, 40, 60 in 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, and 15. So 115. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 20. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Another 20. 13, 14. All right, so this says $2.99. I've calculated up $2.98. I might be off somewhere. Let me recount and we will find out. All right, second go around, I came up with 298, so we do match. My count was just off somewhere before. So that is going to be everything for the closeout of my savings challenges for the second quarter. Come back for the next video to see where I decide this money is going. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.